Welcome to Smart Fashion Tutorials. In this video, we'll sketch 3 essential fits: fitted, relaxed, and oversized, and show how to save each as a reusable symbol in Illustrator. Plus, we'll convert the oversized fit into a front open loose cardigan with rib edges. Let's get started. We begin with the fitted silhouette. Step 1. Draw the body outline with a close-to-body shape. Step 2. Add a higher armhole and tailored sleeve. Step 3. Define the neckline and hem for a clean, structured look. Next, the relaxed fit. Step 1. Start with a slightly looser body outline. Step 2. Lower the armhole slightly and soften the sleeve shape. Step 3. Add a casual neckline and hem that works for everyday wear. Now, the oversized drop shoulder. Step 1. Draw a wider body with extra ease. Step 2. Drop the shoulder seam and lower the armhole. Step 3. Add a loose sleeve and relaxed neckline. Perfect for lounge or streetwear. Once your base sketches are ready, save each one as a symbol in Illustrator. Use smart naming like base fitted top, base relaxed top, and base oversized drop shoulder. This lets you drag and drop into future tech packs and client briefs, saving time and keeping your workflow organized. Cardigan conversion. Let's take the oversized drop shoulder and convert it into a front open loose cardigan. Step 1. Add a center front opening. Adjust the silhouette for a cozy, casual style. Draw ribbed edges at the hem, sleeve cuffs, and neckline. Flat sketching just got smarter. With reusable symbols and quick conversions, your Illustrator workflow becomes faster and more professional. Subscribe to Smart Fashion Tutorials for more design hacks and tech pack tips.